Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Blessings to everyone. This is a very auspicious month in which we are in this moment, a very auspicious moon. And you see, there comes a point in your life where you stop thinking, I'm in the wrong place, I'm in the wrong body, I'm in the wrong path, I'm in the wrong work. All this has to come to a point where this stops, no? Because if you keep on doing that, if you keep on denying what is, if you keep on denying the situation that you created and that you all the time deny it, you sabotage yourself permanently. You come to nowhere like that. You make a step and you make a step backwards. So we need to be coherent in our actions, in our thoughts, in our movements, in our emotions. And when you come to that conclusion, that coherence brings you to a certain unity. Yeah. So what is there? What you see is you. There is nothing else that we can see because we are always looking from our center to the world, from our filter. And the reality is something else. But first we have to make peace with what we created, and then we will be invited to a supreme creation. You find first peace in your world. And when you have that, not 100%, but most of it all the time, you will have reached a ticket that invites you to a more supreme peace, to a more supreme knowledge, to a more supreme view on everything. So this is the work we have to do, and this is why the zikr of thank you is so important and so elementary, and it cannot be said enough times. So we ask forgiveness, for example, in our path, we have this as a standard to always repeat or to ask the forgiveness. And the simple reason is not because you are permanently walking in a sin or you're permanently making something bad, but there is resistance. And as long as there is resistance, we have to ask, we have to say sorry for that resistance, And by asking forgiveness, the resistance does not have a negative effect. It has an effect, but not a negative effect. But it also doesn't have a really positive effect. It means you stay where you are. The next thing, that's why you need to extend it with thank you. And when you say thank you, deeply in your core, then you open a kind of view, you open a kind of possibility. And as deeper as it can be, as more you will see. This is the beginning. And what it gives you is that you understand what is the next step. This is the most important. You see, when you cannot understand what is my next step, be it an inside work that I have to do or an outside work, you can not become happy because we need to unfold in this life. We need to succeed, and this is why it says in the call of prayer, Hayya ala falah, which means come to success. So there is a success that has to cover both elements, the outer success as well as the inner success. And the inner success is first. The inner success, sorry, is first. Yeah. That has to happen first. You create your world from in to the so-called out. And therefore, everyone should be busy with this work first. Yeah. Not how am I, not how I feel, but to shape your emotions accordingly what you want to be. No. And emotions are not something fixed. They're not something that reigns on us, but we can steer them, and this is what we have to do. And when we start to steer them, we can find easier what is our next step and where we really want to go. Thank you very much, and may Allah bless you all. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.